How to write Make My Trip reviews. Writing effectively makes Make My Trip review involves providing honest, detailed feedback on a specific aspect like booking, hotel service, or flight experiences, and can be done directly through their app or website. Likewise, you also need to understand that whenever you're writing a review, you will only be able to write a review for those reservations that you've stayed on or that you've made it on. Otherwise, if you've not stayed or if you've not used the services, there will be no such option as to write a review. So what you want to do is first thing first, open the Make My Trip app on your device. There, you could simply go to My Trip at the bottom, and you could locate the trips, maybe present or the current trips, or the cancelled one or completed ones. You could just go to completed, and there you will be able to find the hotels or maybe flight that you've made, and there underneath you could also find review or rate options. All you need to do is just provide an honest answer, and you could also upload photos if you have, and this way you're supposed to write Make My Trip reviews. And in some cases, the as soon as you're done checking out, you will be receiving a notification stating that give a review or rate us. You could there and then you could give a review or maybe write a rate as well. So this is how you're supposed to write Make My Trip review. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.